My name's William Finnan. I'm a apprentice welder, and currently I'm on the bode welder, which does the seams for the drums, the rings, and for the cases. A normal week normally consists of 3 days actually at the workplace. On Thursdays I go to Shrewsbury College to complete my coursework and to carry on with my MIG training. I'm hoping to be well settled in the fabrication industry, be it being a welder. I like working with Filtermist because everyone seems like a genuine person, and it's got a lot of up-to-date equipment and just overall a positive working environment.
Hi, I'm Ashley Salden. I'm the manufacturing apprentice at Filtermist. So a normal week for me, at the moment I'm working on the Kerstar line, so I'm helping support the line with a lot of the builds that they're doing there. So that's building vacuum cleaners and all the accessories and components for vacuum cleaners. Career aspirations, I quite like the idea of going down continuous improvement route, so I've done a lot of sessions with Kaizen events and the principles of Kaizen, so that's training on those elements and running the sessions with those as well to try and improve the Kerstar line, Filtermist line. I like working at Filtermist because they've given me a lot of good opportunities. So I'm an older apprentice myself, and I think a lot of people kind of come out of school or college and they don't really have a lot of direction of where they want to go. So that's kind of the sort of position that I've been in, and I've kind of found what I want to do through this, and what I do I really enjoy. So I think it's a really good opportunity for that.
My name's Georgia. I'm currently doing an apprenticeship in design engineering. So my career aspirations is to be a fully qualified engineer and finish my 3-year course, and then hopefully move on to my HNC. The reason I like working at Filtermist is because of its working environment. Everyone's really supportive and really nice. They're quite funny to work with, and also the fact that I know I'm helping other companies give better air quality and health and safety and helping them. The reason I chose engineering as a career option for myself is because I thought it'd be easier to apply my skills like problem solving and leadership and technical development. As a woman in engineering, I actually haven't really had any challenges, so starting my apprenticeship everyone was really nice and supportive. Even though it was just 2 girls in a classroom, it didn't feel like that, and it was just a really good environment to be in. The same with work, they were really supportive and really nice and helped me fit in as much as possible.